Hi everyone. Welcome to Chillandcode's channel. Today we are here with our first simple Excel timesheet project. If you need customized timesheets, feel free to connect with us. You can enter your daily routine's time data into this Excel and analyze them at the end of the week or a month. This lets you have a count on how many hours you have spent. Let's have a look into and know how to use it. First, visit chillandcode.com. If you don't have any application to open Excel files, you can install it absolutely free from LibreOffice website. Ignore if you already have Microsoft or Excel 360 or some other application already installed. Link available in descriptions and available on the website. On opening the link, you will be redirected to LibreOffice website. To install, you need to know the type of operating system you have. You can find this by right-clicking on my computer icon in desktop and choosing Properties. There in the upcoming window, the operating system and the processor capacity will be displayed as 32-bit or 64-bit. Here in my case it's 64-bit, so I chose accordingly, downloaded and installed the same. Since I had already installed, I am not showing the same further. Now, you have to download the Excel sheet for timesheet entries from our website. It is just 714 kilobytes Excel sheet. Once opened, you can enter your name in the place provided. You have to provide starting date from which you want to enter timesheet data. You have to enter start time in the first row also. You can click on the blue link to go to the last entry in the sheet. Thereafter you have to enter 10 times only. This timesheet is continuous, which will force you to update entries daily. You have to choose codes and subcodes from list. You can edit these codes also, which is mentioned later in this video. This provides you easy entries and reduces manual entry errors. Comments also appears if any mistakes are there. On the right there is a table for your main and subcodes you can change according to your need, but you should not add spaces in main codes. Please note that already posted entries won't change if you change the names afterwards. You can change the subcodes according to your requirements. Since I made this to track my progress in coding, the codes are accordingly put. You are also provided with cumulative analysis and weekly report sheet to analyze the time you have spent easily. The week period starts from Sunday and ends on Saturday Eve. Try this out. Unlike other online and Android or web applications, this is totally free till 31st December 2020 as of now. We are making it better and will offer advanced versions in the next release. Definitely check this out. This will be very useful for you. If you need custom timesheets or have any doubts, write to us at chillandcode@gmail.com with subject line as Excel Timesheet 1.0. Thanks for watching. Consider supporting us by your small contributions. Follow us on social media platforms. Best regards from Chillandcode team.